everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right-hand corner. When you do, I will get you subscribed to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got our Bounty Hunter weekend. So we've got a couple of these Hobby Boxes we're going to be doing over the weekend. So I figured, let's do it on the weekend. Make it Bounty Hunter weekend. These are fairly new. It's hard to get them. They sold out almost immediately when they went live on the top site, but we scored ourselves 3 of them, so we're going to see what we get inside. Before I get to that, you know what you got to do. Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled of number cards, pillow cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, pillow cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printed cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I'm throwing in a Richie Schaefer rookie card, on-card auto, and I'm throwing in the Governor Dina Price. So these 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a shot at these and all the other autographs that are in there, all you got to do is just leave me a comment below. Leave a comment below and you are entered in for those drawings. All right, let's see what we get. I have not opened these or seen these. I tried to find some blaster boxes, but no luck. I always think there's a system to this, so I always take the top packs and the bottom packs. So we're going to see if that system is true. Don't tell anybody if you figure it out. That's what it is. The bottom packs and the top packs. We'll do those last. Alrighty. Let's get our packs out of here. See what these Bounty Hunters cards looks like. Anything look fat in there? I don't think so. Alrighty. So give us our odds on this. Probably does it on the pack. We'll open up a pack and see what the odds are on the pack. Alright, pack number 1. Let's see here. Yep, here we go. We've got approximate odds per pack. Bounty 1 base card parallels. Blue 1 out of 2. Green 1 out of 22. Purple 1 of 34. Red 44. Black. Whoa, get a black one. It's 1 in 3,307. Bounty 2 base card parallels are 1 in 12, green 1 in 34, purple 44, red 66, black 1 in 3,307. Bounty 3 base cards, same odds, except we have a red is 1 in 132. Black is 1 in 3,307. Feared Mercenaries, okay. We got dual autograph cards, printing plates, nice. And triple autograph black parallels, 1 in 20,000. Yowzers. Sketch cards, trippy sketch cards, bounty buybacks, 1 in 838. Okay. Maybe we get something good. Triple autograph. Whoa, right off the bat, first pack. Wasn't the top pack or the bottom pack, but alrighty then. So we got a Kira, got a Feared Mercenaries. Mace Windu draws his lightsaber on Django. Okay. Feared Mercenaries, there's Moff Gideon. And we've got, ooh, Padme Amidala Bounty Patch Card. And that is 158 of 199. First pack, I get a bounty patch card. Huh. Interesting. A numbered one. So, all right. Not too shabby. Nice first pack. Nice introductory to bounty hunters. All right, so we got Boba Fett there. Young little Boba Fett. Bosk. Got Han Solo. Cad Bane. Han Solo. A Stormtrooper in regular outfit. Aurora Singh. Beard Mercenaries. The Mandalorian lands Grogu over. Hands Grogu over. Beard Mercenaries. Bane takes Denzel's armor. Well, alrighty then. Alright, pack number 2. Lando Calrissian. Guess these are all portraits. No, landscape, sorry. Landscape cards. Quinn, except Amidala there. Imp's Nest. Got Dengar. Berg. Robo Nino. Okay. Mando accepts a new mission. And Feared Mercenaries. Boba Fett meets Obi-Wan on Camino. Alrighty. Got Garindan. What are our odds here? 2 hits per box. 1 autograph per box guaranteed. So we do get an autograph here. All right. Kira. Dengar. Aurora Singh. Space Slug. That's a bounty hunter. Okay. Space Slug made it on the bounty hunters. Costas. Amanda says goodbye to Grogu. And Aurora and Cad Bane team up. Too bad Cad Bane is dead. Spoiler alert if you have not watched the last Boba Fett. Han Solo. There's Cad Bane. The Mandalorian. We got a Bantha. Alright. Cool. Brick. Mando meets Ahsoka Tano. Alright. And Boba Fett sits on Jabba the Hutt's throne. Cool. Cool. Aurora Singh. Should like 10 seconds, like not even that, like 3 seconds. Episode 1. L337, there's the Sarlacc. Oh, double Sarlacc. Double Sarlacc means double card, same pack, goes into the flawless briefcase. Whenever we have a double card of the same card in the same pack, the second one goes in the flawless case. Bib Fortuna. Frog Lady, how did she make bounty hunters? Come on. Mando defeats Moff Gideon. And Moff Gideon. Alrighty then. How does Frog Lady make it in there? Come on. Mithril. Really? Him? C21 High Singer. Big Fortuna. We got an Astra Ventress. Okay. Zam Wessel. Han Solo. Mandalorian hands Grogu over. And Jango and Obi-Wan battle above the waves. Dun dun dun. We got an Embo. Never seen him. Or him. Serapis. The Mandalorian. There he is. We got Mithril again. That guy. Migs Mayfield. He was pretty funny. He gave me a good chuckle. Imp's Nest. There's Mando meets other Mandalorians. And Aurora Singh joins up with Boba Fett during the Clone Wars. Alrighty. Fennec Shand, one of my favorites. She's awesome. IG-11. We got Lando Calrissian. Bib Fortuna. The Fat Fortuna. Boba Fett. Han Solo. Mando accepts a new mission. And Mando says goodbye. Han Solo. The cool Han Solo. Aurora Singh. And we've got L337. Oh, we've got Zian. Grief Karga. Rio Durant. Mandalorian rescues Grogu from the lab. And Jango Fett kills Zam Wessel from afar. We've got Berg. Good old Bergy Berg. A Robo Nino. Space Slug. Greedo. Oldie but goodie. We got a Bantha. Toro Calican. Mando and Boba there. And Aurora battles Plo Koon and Ahsoka Tano. Okay. Did she survive that? Don't watch the cartoon series really, so be a good question. Castus. We got Boba Fett. We've got the Sarlacc. Gross. And we've got the new Sarlacc and the old Sarlacc. That's kind of cool to do that. Sarlacc and Sarlacc. So you got two Sarlaccs. It's not the same card, so we got Dengar. Ketsuonyo. We got Crate Dragon. Mando saves Mos Pelego from Crate Dragons. Alright. Boba Fett recovers his armor and defeats the Stormtroopers. Oh, we got Migs again. There's Jabba the Hutt. Lando Calrissian. C-21 High Singer. There's the armor. Max Rebo. How did he get in here? Mando accepts a new mission. And he's saying goodbye again. Bye-bye, Grogu. Or Baby Yoda. Whichever you want to call it. Boba Fett. Oldie but goodie. Busk. There's Zian. Ooh. Got ourselves our first autograph. Yep. Jango Fett. Mandalorian. Val. Tasu Leech. And our autograph is Ezra Bridger. That is a beautiful autograph. I'm not gonna lie. That's a pretty nice autograph. So there's Ezra Bridger. That is our auto hit. Not too shabby. Ezra Bridger. Alright, let's see what else we get. Looks like the good stuff's in the middle of the box, not on the edge. 09, or no, is that Q9 or 090? Q90. Palimoto. There's Chewbacca. We got an Embo. Ranzar Malk. Another Jabba the Hutt. It looks like the younger version. Feared Mercenaries. There's Bane. Alrighty. So we got yellow, red, and green kinds of parallels. Alright. LS. Forlom. Droopy McCoo. Alright. Han Solo. Boba Fett. Jango Fett. More Boba Fett. so that's Mandalorian, but there's Boba Fett. Zuckuss, the Mandalorian. Is that a second Zuckuss? It's a different. They gave us 2 Zuckasses, but they're different. Different, but same. B188 and B388. That's annoying. Han Solo. Oh, numbered Han Solo. 51 of 75. So, okay, I don't have to go through these cards again. I did not see that. So, you gotta check it out if it's bounty, bounty, bounty. I guess it's a numbered card. That's 51 to 75. Let's see if I skip some of those. No, they all say bounty in the back, but if they're colored in the back, they may be numbered. So the red one, the blue ones are not, right? Yeah, the blue ones are not. So the blues are just the parallels. They have the blue background. But if they do not, if they have a different color than a blue background, it's a numbered card. So blue is not numbered. And you really have to pay attention to these, because if there's a black round, some of the black cards they do, they're like the number 5 series or 1 series. You might miss a numbered card in there. You don't want to do that. Like, oh, I got a 101, but I put it in my comments box and sold it for $10. All right, let's see what else we get. There's Han Solo, another Han Solo, not numbered. Shahan Alama. There's Chewbacca. Miggs Mayfield. There's Bush. C-3PO. Mando meets Ahsoka Tano, and Mando defeats Moff Gideon and wins the Dark Saber. Dun, dun, dun. That was so cool. All right, Bib Fortuna. We got Greedo. Saj Ventress. Palimoto Purple. Number to 35. All right. We got a Rancor there. Dryden Voss. Mercenary cards. Number to 35. That's a weird one. So we got a Pele Moto, number to 35. All right. Han Solo and a Pele numbered card. Mudhorn. That is the Mando's shoulder plate insignia. Tobias Beckett. There's Grief Karga. Blue Paradel Cypress. I don't know why I separated those. Darth Vader. Well, it's about time. Balatik. Mando meets Ascatano. Aura Singh leaves the scene. Aura Singh leaves the scene. I think they did that on purpose. Kato Parasiti. Fennec Shand. Orlando Calrissian. Han Solo Blue Parallel. Start separating those. IG-11. Lando Calrissian. Mando meets Ahsoka Tano, and Mando defeats Gideon and wins the Dark Saber. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Bib Fortuna. And we got Ventress. Xeon. L337. L337. Lama. Chewbacca. There's Mando. Fennec. Mando saves most. Belgo. Rocco Harding. Unkar Ploot. Cy Snootless. Aurora Singh. Latez Razi. Salacious Crumb. Peerless Mercenaries. Feared Mercenaries. Alright. Last pack. Let's see what we get out of our last pack. Jabba the Hutt. Boba Fett. Cad Bane. Green Parallel R2-D2, numbered to 50. Green ones are numbered. Sugi. Mithril. Another green one. Not the green one. That's numbered. Okay, good to know. Good to know. R2-D2. That's not bad for numbered cards. A Han Solo. Pelimoto. And R2-D2 numbered to 50. So I got 75, 50, and 35 numbered. A Bounty Padme Amidala patch card. And our Ezra Bridger autograph. Not too shabby. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. More Hobby Box breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everybody. And stay tuned for more Bounty Hunter Weekend. Thanks, everyone.